Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. See, most probably you are watching this video because I have shared this video in your WhatsApp because you have messaged me related to the work details about my freelancing or affiliate marketing. Okay, in this video I'll be clearly explaining you about what is Bizgurukul, how we can earn from Bizgurukul, and what is the work process. So don't skip this video, watch till the end. Most of the you'll be skipping and you'll be getting confused. So don't skip the video, watch till the end and note down all the points whatever I'm saying. So don't get confused, watch till the end without skipping. Before that, who is this girl speaking about Bizgurukul and online earning? So this is Rubeena from Karnataka who is doing 9 to 5 job. Along with that, I am doing Bizgurukul. I have chosen Bizgurukul to do part-time. In that I have learned many skills and I am doing freelancing and affiliate marketing, and I am earning good source of income from here. So in this video, I'll be clearly explaining you about what is Bizgurukul. I have already told you. So in a simple way, I'll be telling, don't skip the video, watch till the end, okay? So what is Bizgurukul? So before that, many have the doubt like Bizgurukul, is it scam? So many have that doubt. So let me clear it. It's actually mca.government.in registered. You can check in MCA website also. So Bizgurukul is registered in 2020, so it's nearly already 3 years it's taking to be registered, and it's also GST certified. The company is GST certified, so you are getting cleared that Bizgurukul is not at all scam, it's genuine. Okay, and let's come to the main topic. So first topic is Bizgurukul. So Bizgurukul is an educational platform, e-learning platform through which many are learning high demanded skills. So from which you can learn and quickly monetize it and start earning. So many opportunities are there in this courses. So which are the courses from which many are learning and earning? So free digital marketing, you don't know how much this digital marketing has demand. So in 5 to 10 years this digital marketing is to rule over all the skills. So everything is going to be digitally. So digital marketing, content writing, copywriting, podcast, sales mastery, even you can learn Google ads, YouTube ads and Instagram ads, many, and you can even learn stock mastery also. So many high demanded, high paid skills are available in Bizgurukul through which you can learn and start earning doing freelancing. So you can master any of the course. These many courses, you get 26 courses. You can choose which is your favorite and get master in it and get certified from the Bizgurukul itself. And Bizgurukul even teaches you how to do freelancing from here. So you can learn it, you can get certified from Bizgurukul itself, and you can start earning as a freelancer, through which the Bizgurukul gives you a roadmap for how to earn as a freelancer also. So this is the part of learning and earning. So this is freelancing. And one more bonus thing which Bizgurukul is providing to all the people who is joining Bizgurukul is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Let me clear you in a simple word. See, this is a company which is giving some products or services. I have to do promotion, and I have to do promotion. When I do promotion, someone customer buys that product or services through my referral link, I will get some amount of commission which company gives me. So you're clear, right? So Bizgurukul is giving some courses. So high paid courses, we have to promote that courses through the customer. I'll be getting that commission. You know how much the commission is? 70%. Amazing. Of the commission, up to 70% of commission we will be getting from Bizgurukul. So I hope you're clear about freelancing and affiliate marketing. Let me tell once again simple. See, freelancing is nothing but 26 courses are there. Choose your favorite course and get mastered, get certified in that, and start your freelancing from home. That freelancing also will be trained from Bizgurukul itself. And second option is affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing also, the company itself will train you. You understood that we have to do promotions, right? For promotion, how we have to do promotion, what we have to speak, how we have to connect all over India, everything Bizgurukul only will train you. Even freelancing, Bizgurukul will train you. Affiliate marketing, Bizgurukul only will train you. So Bizgurukul is an educational platform through which you can learn and earn. Two opportunities are there. And one more important thing is, which are the course bundles and what is the fees of it. So there are the top 3 bundles: traffic mastery, influence mastery and finance mastery. First bundle is traffic mastery. In traffic mastery, you will be getting 7 courses like Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, YouTube mastery and Excel mastery. so that you can learn that courses and quickly monetize it and do freelancing also. You will be getting nearly 25 to 30,000 per month from Traffic Mastery. So if you buy this course directly from website, it will cost you 8,999. So if you directly purchase from my referral link, which is 30% discount, you will be getting for 5,999. And second bundle is Influence Mastery. In Influence Mastery, you get 9 courses like content writing, copywriting. These 2 skills are very highly paid freelancing skill, I can say. And you get content writing, copywriting, even podcast mastery, sales mastery, even how to become an author. Like this high paid skills are available in Influence Mastery, which will cost 15,999 from direct website. If you buy from my referral link, you will get only for 10,999. If you join under Influence Mastery, you will get Traffic Mastery for free of cost. Final one is Finance Mastery, which is highly demanded course because it contains Stock Mastery, which is divided into 2 parts, for a beginner and for an advanced. And if you take Influence Mastery, the other 2 bundles will be for free of cost. Traffic Mastery and Influence Mastery will be for free of cost for Finance Mastery who enroll from Finance Mastery. So what is the cost of Finance Mastery from direct website? It is for 19,999, nearly 20,000. From my referral link, you will be getting only for 14,999. You will be getting 5,000 rupees off. Okay, the last one is why you have to join under me. So you know that I have joined already Bizgurukul and earning good source of earning from freelancing and affiliate marketing from Bizgurukul. Second one is you will be getting 30% of discount from whichever the courses you choose in Bizgurukul. And third one is my personal mentorship. Whoever joins under me, I'll be guiding them in 1:1 session, and I'll be guiding them throughout their journey, what to do, what not to do. I'll be giving them the route map, how to do earnings from freelancing and affiliate marketing. Hope I have cleared all your doubts. If you have any other doubts, you kindly message to my WhatsApp number. I'll be here to guide you. And choose your favorite course, which course you want to learn and get masters. I'll be here to guide you to do freelancing and affiliate marketing. Don't worry about it. Choose your favorite course. After this all, few people ask me, ma'am, which is the course you suggest? I suggest you highly recommended course, which is Finance Mastery, because all other courses are free of cost and you get massive results from Finance Mastery. Whoever joined Bizgurukul is getting massive results only because of Finance Mastery. Finance Mastery has see, I can tell you that this Traffic Mastery, Influence Mastery and Finance Mastery, if you join to Traffic Mastery, you can earn 20 to 30,000 per month. If you join through Influence Mastery, you can earn nearly 40 to 50,000. If you join through Finance Mastery, in a month you can earn from 50 to 1 lakh. So you can get a massive result in Finance Mastery because all other courses will be for free of cost. So I suggest you highly recommended, which is Finance Mastery. So any other doubts, if you have, kindly message to my WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.